Solutions. BISP Solution is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. I'm working here as a Netsuite functional consultant, and today we will be taking topic pay single vendor in Netsuite applications. So today we will be covering meaning of paying a single vendor and features, benefits, and scenario based on NetSuite application where we can pay a single vendor in it. So starting with what is the meaning of paying single vendor in NetSuite application? So paying a single vendor refers to the process of making payments to just one supplier at a time for the goods or services they have provided to us. In NetSuite, this involves selecting one vendor from the list of other suppliers and processing a payment for their outstanding invoices. Next, features of paying single vendor. So, vendor selection is very necessary in NetSuite application. Then we have to select invoice for the same, where we will be selecting which invoices to pay. Like we can pay multiple invoices or a portion of invoice. Okay. Then payment approval supports different approval methods like check, bank transfer, or electronic payments. Okay. Then automatic GL posting, which is payments are automatically posted in the journal ledger, ensuring accounting is updated. Okay. Then payment tracking. So it keeps a track of all payments made to the vendor for future reference. Okay. So next we will be covering benefits. So by paying a single vendor, there is improvement in control, simplified reconciliation, and customizable options are there. Like we can specify the amount, method, and timing of the payment. Also, it streamlines the vendor relations, and also it provides us better cash flow management. So next we will be taking scenario based on paying a single vendor. So let's say our company regularly buys office supplies from vendor A. Okay. At the end of the month, vendor A sends an invoice for $1,000. So we need to make the payment. So we will be navigating it through NetSuite application. So this is how NetSuite application looks like. We will be logging into NetSuite application and then selecting vendor from transactions to payables to paying a single vendor and clicking on the same. Then we will be selecting the payee. So let's suppose we are taking ABC and Company. Today is 10th. So we are taking date as 10th and September of is by default selected. Exchange rate and account. We want to make a bill payment from check account. Okay. So location should be Boston, and we are doing payment to retail store business, and department, let's suppose we are and standard bill payment. Once we select standard bill payment, all the things will be changing, and here you can see the minus option is there. So if we click on checking or savings, let's suppose we are making payment from our savings account, and department is sales, and class is retail store, and location is Boston. And here you can see all the things, and we can just save this. Okay. So once this bill payment is approved, like made, so it is sent for approval. So once again we will be editing the same, and we will be s- making approved as approval status and saving the same. Now this pending approval will be approved. Okay. So here you can see the GL impact. We can see here. So clicking on GL impact, it is not coming. One second. If we want to make void, like we don't approve this, and it is a void payment, so we can just click on void option. Also, if we want to see the GL impact, so we can just download the same, and here you can see the GL impact where savings and accounts payable is debited and credited with the name of this and this, and posting period, bill payment, and second number document is provided to us. So this is how we make bill or make payment to a single vendor. Okay. So this is the navigation where you can go to transactions. Under transaction, you will be going to payables, then payables to pay single vendor. And this is what pages looks like. So we have to enter pay, balance should be there, reflected there, and date also we have to mention, then currency, exchange rate, and check number and account we need to check. Okay. So in conclusion, the paying single vendor feature in NetSuite is a simple yet powerful tool that streamlines the process of making payments to individual suppliers. So by allowing precise control over vendor payments, this features ensures accuracy, improves vendor relationships, and help maintaining healthy cash flow. Whether you are handling one or multiple invoices, NetSuite's user-friendly interface makes the payment process straightforward and efficient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to effectively use the Pay Single Vendor feature in NetSuite application. So stay tuned for more informative sessions and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.